What's up, madlang people? So for today's video, I will cook ginisang dudi o upo sa Tagalog. So ingredients niya, so nag-slice ako ng yung dudi, whole dudi yan. Tapos may onion, garlic, cherry tomatoes. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng mackerel in sunflower oil, then seasoned with black pepper, paprika, smoked paprika, and 1/2 ng fish cubes. So all together na dyan. No need for oil, no need to saute because I am using Salad Master 10-inch skillet. So, yun ang magic dito sa Salad Master. You don't need oil kapag nagigisa. So, ayan. I will cover and then it will cook maybe for 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. Right. I'll update you later. Okay, after 5 minutes, ito na. Kumukulo na siya. Haluin natin. I added half cup of water. So 5 minutes pa lang yan. And then kanina sa garden, kinuha ko na yung bulaklak ng kalabasa. Ayan o. Then ito ay talbos ng kamote. So butternut squash flowers. And then young leaves ng sweet potato. Add natin dyan. Add there. Just for a bit of flavor as well. And then cover again. Maybe wait for another 5 minutes and it's done. Taste test later on. Thank you very much.